I look at the area of data as an area that we don't have to wait for things to get to 20, 30, 40 years from now to really tap into. This is an area where we can be tapping in now. Connected vehicles are out and they're continuing to emerge in droves. 2020, I think, is a year where we're going to see an enormous amount of connected vehicles on our roadways. And they offer an opportunity for the tolling industry. They're collecting information on what's going on around them. That information is valuable to you as an agency to understand what your road looks like daily, constantly. So you can know, how's my guardrail looking? Do we have potholes? Do we have cracks? Are there things out there that I don't know because I can't be out there all the time and see everything? That data is out there and it could be worked with, so we don't have to wait. We can do things now.